3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, parachute ripped. I don't know what went on. Alright guys, Model Rocks 321 here. We are back with another video. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new, hit the thumb up button. Check the other videos. Today we are flying the greatest rocket of all time, which is the Mars lander. This one will be going on a D16-4FJ. It's kind of calm out here right now. Should be a nice flight. Let's do it. Let's do it. Check the links below. IN_321, SDsrockets.com. IN_321 is the discount code. You can get yourself a discount. So go on and do that at SDsrockets, and let's do it. All right, here we go. We got the Mars lander, and we are going on a D16-4FJ. Range is clear, sky is clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, parachute ripped. I don't know what went on. Well, it stuck the landing, but that was crazy. That was wild. Look at all that black smoke. Stuck the landing. That seemed like something to rip. The parachute definitely got torn. What is going on? Stuck the landing kind of hard, so it could be some brad. Wow, oh, the parachute is definitely torn. Wow, that was. All those legs good? Yeah, they're good because these can get broken from time to time. I had to go in there and I think we do got a break. I think I'm at the cut. I can go in there and that's weird, but we'll take a look at that closer. But definitely the parachute. It was still thrusting and ejecting all at the same time. So started the day off pretty crazy. That was a wild D16-4FJ. The motor's gone. Might be able to spot that because they're like orange. Q-jet motor. Well, that's wadding right there. Oh, there's wadding. Let's see, let's get this. That was strange. So I can get this. Wadding is biodegradable, in case you're wondering. Another piece. Yeah, the motor got kicked out, so that was strange. That was a wild launch. I don't understand what took place there. That was kind of strange. Almost seemed like a malfunction of the motor. It seemed like the motor had an issue. But this is rocketry. So back to the Mars lander. Alright guys, so go on and subscribe. We're gonna get to another launch. We got another couple more coming up. But that was strange. We're gonna look at this guy a little bit later. So stay tuned for more. Wow. Alright guys, so you just saw a crazy flight of the Mars lander. Not sure what happened. We definitely have damage inside the little silicone ring that holds on the leg. I gotta go in there again and I gotta repair that now. So yeah, I don't know what happened. That motor seemed kind of strange. It seemed like it was thrusting and ejecting. The motor was gone past the hook, so I don't know what happened. Well, anyway, next up we got the Estes Strike Fighter 1989 kit, vintage, very old kit, going on a C12-4, which is another one of those Q-jet motors. This one should go good. Everything should be fine. So let's get this guy going. All right, here we go. We got the Strike Fighter going on a C12-4 Q-jet motor. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No go. Okay, here we go with the Strike Fighter on a Q-jet C12-4. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. Way up. Parachute out. And we are good. Check him out. Coming down right above us. Right over the range pretty much. You might have a little drift. But the winds are dead still today, so that's good. Yeah, let me get back. There we go. There we go. It's hanging up there. That's one of the old school, that soft plastic Estes parachutes. So yeah. Those other ones, the newer ones, are like a harder plastic. I think I talked about that before. Jay's doing good. He is doing good. Coming down, and touchdown right there. Good deal. Model Rocks 321 here, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumb up, drop a comment, and we will be back for more. Let's check this out. Here we go. So the Strike Fighter, right here, pretty nice. All together, fins are good. Everything's good here. All good, all good, all good. So there we have it. SD Strike Fighter. Oh, I see a little, what's going on the tip up here? Got a little crimple on the top of the tube. But other than that, we are good to go.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.
Alright guys, as we continue the exotic Starship day, we are flying the Vega. Classic Estes ship, Starship Vega actually. It's one of the classics. It's going to be going on a C63. Super nice rocket, one of those from way back in the days that people love. There was an upscale version of it too some years ago. Very nice, should be a good flight. Let's do this. Here we go, we got the Starship Vega. Going to be going on a C63. Range clear, sky clear. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3-second delay, parachute out. Parachute out? Yeah, it's out. Is that out or is it tangled? Is that tangled? It's out. Oh, it's out. Okay. Yeah, where we go? Come on. There we go. Beautiful, falling right above us. Don't hit the car. Oh, where'd it got lost? There we go. There we go. Calming down, nice. Nice and slow. Like he's coming down sideways. I think he got tangled on the leg. Yeah, he's tangled on the leg. He's tangled on the leg, it looked like. Yeah. Got a little tangled on the leg. Made a catch, because I didn't want to land sideways. I had to catch that one, guys. I had to make a catch on the last one. I didn't want him to land. Parachutes out, it's all good, but I just didn't want him to land sideways. So I had to make a catch on that one. So there you have it, the Starship Vega. That is the close of this launch day. Flying all exotics. Mars lander suffered. The Strike Fighter was pretty good. And the Starship Vega was good. Other than it being tangled on the leg, I had to make that last catch to close out the day. So go and subscribe to the channel, guys. Check the links below. Go to sdsrockets.com, IN_321, put that in on your cart and get a discount. Also check my website, there's some stuff there you can get. And we will see you on another video. It's Model Rockets, 3, 2, 1. Alright, welcome to the debriefing. Today you have witnessed 3 flights of some exotics. Greatest model rocket of all time, the Mars lander. Starship Vega, vintage Estes stuff right there. And the Strike Fighter, vintage Estes. We're going to start with the greatest. The greatest suffered today. I'm not sure what's going on. I had a D16 4FJ motor in there, which seemed like it should have put this thing up there really nice for a great flight. Instead, we suffered damage today. This same damage had happened before. Inside here, there's a hinge with a silicone ring, and inside of there, it broke again. So I'm gonna have to cut this open. I had actually done surgery on this before. If you go check back on my Mars lander videos, I had to cut this open right here, open it up, fix this leg, fix that rubber silicone piece, put it back together so this will work. So I'm gonna have to do that again. That's going to be happening real soon. And I can see some damage here to this nozzle. Like I guess when it did stick the landing because the parachute ripped. That was just strange. It seemed like it was under thrust while it ejected. That Q-jet motor just seemed strange. I don't know. It seemed kind of weird. So that was the first flight of the Mars lander. This is the Simrock version. I do have the Estes version still in the box. So that was that. I'm not sure which one of these was next. But anyway, we'll start with the Vega. Starship Vega, classic rocket. Love this rocket a whole lot. I did some burns on there. for landing, similar to the SpaceX boosters. You get those charred marks on there, or if it's just flying through the galaxy, it's doing its thing, getting all dirty. So this one flew, parachute got caught up on one of the legs. So I wound up making a catch. I had to run over and catch it. I didn't want it to hit the ground like that. I just want to make sure everything stayed good because it was already getting weird. So I did not want any further weirdness. So the Starship Vega gave a nice boost. It was a nice flight. It was coming down sideways because of one of the shock cords got caught on one of these fins. So I had to go make a catch on that one. But other than that, pretty cool, nice flight. And last but not least was the Strike Fighter. Vintage classic Estes. What more can you say about this? This is a great rocket to fly. I mean, good. It'll make a good demonstration rocket too for a group of kids or whoever. It's a great flying rocket, super stable, flew nice, perfect flight, deployment, parachute, everything. It's just good. Cannot complain about the Strike Fighter. And yeah, guys, so that was all the flights there in this debriefing. I already took the motors out. I forgot. I usually like to pull them out, show you in front of me, but they're already gone. So that will wrap up this video. Check the links below. Check the website. Score yourself some Estes products. EstesRockets.com. Put in the discount code I_321 at checkout and buy yourself something cool. And that is all for today, guys. And we're going to get out of here. This is Model Rockets 3, 2, 1. Catch you on another video.